Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this Goyojo head-mounted night vision goggle, or you can use this as nods. Waterproof IP65 rated HD image quality. This is a pretty cool device here. You can mount this to a helmet so that you can see in the dark as you walk around. Comes with a manual, carrying case, lens cloth, rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, your helmet mounting device made of, I believe, 6061 T6 aluminum with a hard anodized finish, battery charger, USB charging port and whatnot, some other accessories, and then the device itself. So very nice, lightweight, small device, which makes it great for being helmet mounted, okay? So the way this would work is it could be on your helmet like this and flip down and articulate like this, okay? So pretty slick. Comes with an eye cup. It's got your adjustable focus or diopter knob right here, your other focus knob for your image, battery compartment right here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put that in. It's got an O-ring seal so that it's waterproof. This is all made of 6061 T6 aluminum with a hard anodized finish as well. Okay, it's got your IR illuminator right here. Turning it on, nice, bright, wow, comes on really quick, so there's not like a lot of lag. And then you have your focus knob right here, very crisp and clean image. Does have a compass built into it as well, which is really cool. This thing is pretty cool. And then has your battery indicator. Turns on and off really quick. I'm impressed with that. Like really quick. It's got digital zoom, and it's actually quite good. It's got your green like hue and then black and white. Very, very cool. It's got Wi-Fi. Language, LCD brightness version. It's got auto power off settings. Very nice. Was sent to me for review. I'm pretty impressed with this thing. Seems to work quite well. Love the small, compact, lightweight form factor.